Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss about an interesting topic. Today's topic is how to calculate wealth index or asset index with the socio-economic status based on the public health research. Today I will discuss how to calculate asset index using polychoric correlation. Generally, when data type is ordinal, then we can use polychoric correlation. But if data type is continuous or binary dummy variable, then we can use PCA, general PCA. But if some variable are ordinal, then we can use polychoric correlation. So first of all, I am going to open data. Please download the data from video link. Already I have uploaded. The name of this data is my asset. I keep this data in the ABC folder within D drive. This is our example data. So maximum are binary, and some are ordinal. There is no continuous variable. See this example data. For example, tab, external main material, natural means 1. This is the lower version. 2, this is the medium, and finish this is the upper. Generally, during collecting data, we collect as a nominal. For example, this is when I collect data, then we can have this format. Additionally, when we collect the type of toilet, for example, type of toilet is this is type of toilet. Type of toilet. Open means lower category. Unimproved, this is the middle category, and improve the higher category. So we can consider its ordinal variable. But when we collect data from the raw data, this also nominal. Using this category, based on the definition, we categorize, for example, using 3 categories. So first of all, we have to check our frequency. Tab Q1, if any frequency less than 1%, any category less than 1%, then we cannot use this variable in the PCA or polychoric PCA. So we can find frequency for all variable, tab 1, then just all variable. Yes, now we can check is there any variable less than 1%? No, there is no 1%. If we can at least 1%, then obviously we have to drop the variable. Second is we have to test the collinearity. That means the variable are correlated or not. Then we have to use some multivariate technique. One is called factor test. So now I'm using STATA 17, but STATA lower version, there is no function like polychoric or factor test. In this situation, obviously, we have to install the package. We have to install package. For example, SSC install polychoric or SSC install for etc. So if we yes, the determinant is 3.35 and the p-value is Bartlett test significant. So we can say that the variable are intercorrelated. And if KMO value greater than 5, then we can use PCA. Then second option is PCA, polychoric PCA. And obviously we keep all variable, then comma, score the name of score, for example, comp and number of score one. Just we use the first PCA. This is the command polychoric PCA. Obviously, I will give the syntax code in my video description. So one. So now yes, we have to wait for some times, at least maximum 1 minute. Within 1 minute, data will be run. Yes. So we have to see that if any correlation in any correlation is exactly one, then obviously we have to delete corresponding the variable. For example, if this variable, if this value is one, then we have to delete either this variable or this variable. So we have to check, is there any value one? One means perfectly correlated. There is no one. So already comp one, there is a variable which was generated. So we can make histogram norm. Yes, this is the like normal student, and we know that the after generating the first PCA follow the normal distribution. These are assumptions. So now we can categorize this variable using 5 category. So X style, for example, a variable asset index is equal to comp1, comma, NQ5. Okay. Then lady index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 means poorest. 2 means poorer. 3 means middle. 4 means richer. 5 means richest. Then replace. Okay. Level. This is the data management part. If you like to know the variable level, then obviously you have to watch my previous video on variable level and value level. So now tab. Yes, this is the asset index. So we can copy. Yes, this is our syntax. This is our syntax. This is our syntax. So you have to clear. This is our syntax for calculating a variable named asset index by wealth index. Oh, another variable is sorry. Sorry. Lever. Then we have to define variable level asset index or wealth index, asset index or wealth index. we have to type asset or wealth. And this is our syntax. So I am giving this syntax in my video description, so you can use this. Thank you very much.